Hello, today we're going to build house light up card. Let us see what components we will need. A coin cell, a yellow LED, some copper tape, the house light up print, and some sellotape or packaging tape to secure the LED. First, let's color the house with some sketch pen or crayons. After done coloring, take a utility knife and cut the door frame, leaving one side attached to the house. Now the door can be opened and closed. Now fold the paper in half. Now take the yellow LED and spread the terminals. Make sure you identify the positive and the negative terminal of the LED. Now, we're going to stick the LED right behind the window of the house with some sellotape. So now, this is the positive terminal of the LED and this is the negative terminal of the LED. Now take the copper tape and make the connections as shown in the video. While sticking the second copper tape, flip the tail of it, where we're going to attach the coin cell. Stick the positive side of the coin cell on the copper tape. Now take another small piece of copper tape and stick it on the back of the door in the middle. Now take another piece of copper tape and stick it on the negative terminal of the LED. Now fold the paper. And mark where the copper tape on the back of the door is touching on the other page. Now take two small pieces of copper tape and stick them in a straight line while keeping a little distance between them. Now take a long piece of copper tape and connect the negative side of the battery to this copper tape. Make sure this copper tape is only touching the negative side of the battery. Now take another long piece of copper tape and connect these two joints together. The circuit is complete. To check the output, let's fold the paper. If I tap on the door, the LED turns on. Our house light up card is working. Thanks for watching.